Hello, Year 4. I hope you are all well. This video will help you with Monday's lesson for week 5. One of the questions you've been asked to find the value of numbers in bold, and I've got an example here to help you. For this question, I am going to use a place value grid to help me. Now, what I'd like you to do is to pause the video so that you can draw your own place value grid and make an attempt at writing the numbers on the grid. If you wrote your numbers out like this, well done. Now on this grid, you can see that I have underlined the numbers that were written in bold. So the first number, you can see that the 6 is in the hundreds column, so that'll be 600. The next number, the 6, is in the thousands column, so that'll be 6,000. And the 2 for the last number is written in the tens column, so that'll be 20. So the answer will be written out like this. So on your worksheet, try and write yours out like this. Now let's move on to another question. For this one, it's asking us to find 100 less than a given number. Again, I've got some examples to show you. Again, I'm going to use a place value grid to help me. I have written the numbers out. You can see in the hundreds column, I have underlined those numbers because those are the numbers that I am interested in. Let's try and solve the first one. 100 less than 300. What do you think the answer is going to be? Try and write the answer out. Pause the video and try it. If you got this as your answer, well done. Let's move on to the next question. Again, I have written it on this value grid. You can see in the hundreds column, we've got 0. So that's a little bit tricky. To help me in answering this question, I'm going to do some borrowing. I'm going to go to the thousands column. There are 6,000s there, so I'm going to borrow 1,000. Now, when I borrow 1,000, I'll be left with 5,000. And I'm going to bring the 1,000 to the hundreds column. So I'm going to have 10 lots of the 100. Pause the video and have a go at that. If this is what you wrote out, well done. You are on the right track. Now, we're going to find 100 less. So if I've got 10 lots of 100 and I take 1 lot out of it, what do you think my answer is going to be? Pause the video and write it out. If this is what you wrote, well done. You're doing great because you've got the correct answer. And on your worksheet, this should be written out as this. So you can see that the 1,000 has changed from 6,000 to 5,000. Now in the hundreds column, we've got 900 and we've got in the tens column, so we didn't change anything for the tens and the ones column. So our answer is now 5,934. So, luck with your work, Year 4, and try and keep safe.